ASAP Plumbing. This is for the hair and nail salon in St. Augustine, Florida. We're testing an RF
bleed bypass
PVA
hose.
Reduced pressure backflow prevention assembly.
Attach vent hose to test cock for. Close vent bypass. Reset low bleed. Observe his leak. Close tight.
You need to adjust the, can you all tighten up that test cock number 1? It's weeping. Test cock number 1. Just kind of move it to a position where it quits weeping. Very good. That works perfectly. It's closed tight. Move on.
Check valve 2. Close tight. Reset low bleed. Record CV1 differential.
What is it?